What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today, we are going to go over Thursday's game plan. Happy New Year. I hope you guys made it back to the home crib safe, but you already know what time it is. It's time to go ahead and get prepared for what we got going on tomorrow, guys. There's a lot of stuff going on out there in the world. A lot of people doing a lot of crazy stuff right now, and the market is not taking too kind to it. It's starting to pull back a little bit. The most important part is you guys stay safe. Want to see everybody in the Discord, or want to see everybody back here trading tomorrow morning. Before we jump right into these tickers, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. Let's go ahead and kick it with the newbies and beginners. Y'all come on up. First ticker up is going to be SOFI. With SOFI, we are sitting at 1540. If you are a bull, what you want to see is this level right here. These tops at 1555 get taken out. They can take out that. You got this stuff up here at 1580. They break through that. You got a little bit of more turbulence right here at 1590. And then their next run up is going to be to try to get to 1610. They break through that. They can slowly start trying to run this thing back up. You got 1670 on deck. Simple. If you are a bear, you just need these bottoms right here to be taken out. 1535, they can start breaking through that. They can start pulling this thing down much lower. You got 1510 on deck. Ultimately, they trying to break through this area right here at 1460. They can break through that. They're going to pull back a lot lower. There you go. And that ticker, next ticker up, we're going to do Palantir. They're sitting at 75.64. If you are a bull, what you want to see is these tops right here at 76.25 get taken out. They can take out that. Next level up is going to be this little stuff right in here at 77 even. Next level up is going to be 77.60. Be careful at this area once they start hitting this area, because you can consider this a top. That's a top. They come over here and start forming that. That'll be a triple top. Expect the bears to try to smack that thing down. It's innocent until proven guilty. If they break through it, your next level of interest is going to be sitting over here where they form these double tops right in here. We're going to say 78.95. So there you go with the upside to the downside. What you want to see is these bottoms right here get taken out. You got 74.95. They can start breaking through that right there. They're going to start revisiting these bottoms right in here. You got 74.20. Ultimately, they're trying to come back down here at 71.50 before the bulls will try to pop this thing back up. Bears get stronger once they break through that area there. There you go. And that ticker, I'm going to throw one more out there for you newbies and beginners. Ticker symbol RBLX. Because this one, when they getting smacked down, they've been getting smacked down in this area right here, and then they boom it back up. I'm curious to see what they do tomorrow. If bulls start showing strength, this will be a nice call option going up. You see they're sitting at 57.80. If you are a bear, you want to see these bottoms right here at 57.70 get taken out. And ultimately, they're going to try to push this thing back down to 57.30. If they break through that, they can start coming down lower. But if they start popping that thing back up and they able to hold above VWAP, I expect this thing to go a lot higher. If you are a bull, you want to see $58 even get taken out. They can take out that right there. Next level up is going to be 58.20. Next level up is 58.35. Ultimately, they trying to get to this break right here at 58.70. They break through that. Boom, you coming back to 59.20. That'll be a heavy level. Expect bears to try to smack that thing down. But if they don't, the next area of interest is going to come in right around 59.50. They break through that. Boom, you coming back up to 60 even. There you go, newbies and beginners, a few different tickers for you guys to pay attention to. If you see those areas get violated, you already know what to do. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? Y'all come on up to the table. First one out of the gate, we ain't even playing with it. We ain't going to take much time on this because we talked about it a little bit in last night's video. I know y'all are busy, New Year's and all that good stuff, but man, it's study time. It's time to make that money. If you throwing money into account, you got to do the necessary preparation to be successful in this game. Otherwise, you just throwing your money away, and ain't nobody got time for that. SPY, we sitting at 586 even. If you are a bull, what you want to see these tops right in here get taken out at 586.70. They can break through that right there. You want to see this area right here, 588.35 get taken out. They can take out that level right there. Boom, you got 590.60. So that's going to be your premium burn area. You don't want to get nothing in this area right there because they're going to chop. They're going to continue to chop. You want to see them break through 591.90. They can break through that. Boom, you got 593 on deck. Next level up is going to be 594.30. But let's talk about the downside because they getting full pressed right now. What you want to see, bears hold this level right here at 584.45. If they can break through that, you got another area of interest at 583.90. They start breaking through that right there. Watch this. Boom, you got 580.30 on deck. Next level up is going to be 578.65. So guys, you already know with the SPY, we'll handle that in real time. Once those areas start getting violated, I'm going to be right there calling out the shots, letting you know, hey, it ain't time yet, or letting you know, hey, the bull's getting stronger past this area. I got you. Next is going to be Tesla. Getting pressed, as you already put a play out there with Tesla. Again, refer to my video I dropped the previous night. They broke past that area at 415 that I had, 415.20. I told you this was the next area of interest at 411.15. Once they broke that, I told you where they coming. They coming to 400.70. That's the next area. That's going to be their next stop. That's where the bulls are hanging out at. Let's just see where we at right now in real time. If you see, Tesla is sitting at 401.90 right now. They headed to my area. We're going to see if it happened in pre-market, the overnight session, because Wall Street, they're crooks. They like to come in and do all the heavy hitting while we sleep and then take their money out before the market opens up. So we'll see what happens, but this is going to be a heavy level. 400.70. I expect the bulls to try to pop this thing back up. However, if they can't pop this thing up to a decent area, we're going to call this area right here 403.60. They're going to try to come down much lower, but we'll handle Tesla in real time. I'm just interested to see where, if we open lower than 400.70, then we got opportunity to come a lot farther down. I'll update those levels before the market opens up. So I feel like they're going to get pressed real good, because if you want to say that's one top, that's the double top, and that's why we coming back down. On the upside, you want to see Tesla open up above 403.50. If they can open up above that and start getting some momentum and start taking out 407.90, next level up is going to be 411.20. My levels that I call out on the downside, you can use those things to ride that thing back up to the upside too. So once they start holding strong above 411.15, you already know next level is going to be that heavy level at 415.20. If they can break through that, then they're going to start riding back to the upside, and I'm all here for it. I'm going to throw one last ticker on there. We're going to do NVIDIA. So they're sitting at 134.30. If you are a bull, you want to see this level right here at 134.40 get taken out. They can take out that. You got these tops up here at 134.60. And once they cross through there, this is turbulence. And that's why I'm telling you, because you want to see the turbulence get taken out. Turbulence is going to be up to 134.80. They can get through 134.80. Boom. They're going to smack this thing to 135.70. They get through that. Your next tops is going to be this stuff up in here. We're going to say 136.20. They break through that. They're going to run this thing back up. You got 137.75. Ultimately, they trying to get back to these tops right in here at 138.75 before they try to boom it to this area up in here, 140.30. We'll handle that in real time once they get to that point. But to the downside, if you are a bear, you want to see these bottoms right there at 134.10 get taken out. They can take out that. You got one more area interest to get through, 133.80. They can break through that. They're going to try to run this thing back down to 130. There you go. And that ticker, I know I said one last ticker. I'm going to give one more because I think Amazon got the power to do some special stuff. If you play it right, we're going to take a look at Amazon sitting at 219.40. If you are a bear, you want to see them open lower than that. You want to see 218.90 get taken out. The bears, I wouldn't even think about puts until you see 218.40 get taken out. They can take out that, then they can start dropping. But if they struggling to break this area down here at 218.40, then expect the bulls to come on. And once you see the bulls get back to this area right here, 219.70, they start closing higher than that. Your next level up is going to be 220.40. Next level after that, boom, you got 221.23. They start breaking through that. They're going to slow melt this thing all the way back to these tops up here at 223.05. Next level up, boom, you got 226.20. Next level up, you got 225.20 for that one. And then you got 226.20 for Amazon. Guys, that's a few different tickers for you guys to pay attention to put on your radar. And that way, once you see those areas get violated, you know what to do. Guys that's watching, that's not in the Discord, get in the Discord. That way you got full access to my morning call outs as well as technical analysis breakdowns of the top plays throughout the session. Guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join me in my Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.